border district, Kokrajhar or somewhere, you'll throw them out. Have you been to Kokrajhar, Bodo land?
No, sir.
Who are the Bodos?
So the Bodos are the indigenous people of Assam, and they occupy almost 35% of the population, the tribal population in Assam.
अच्छा मेरे को एक चीज बताओ. Why are they famous?
So they have the.
Can you link them to the Mahabharata?
So Bhim married a girl from the Bodo community.
Yes. And their son was called?
So I'm not able to recall the name.
Ghatotkacha?
Yes, sir, Ghatotkacha.
And he sacrificed himself?
Yes, sir.
To save Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
बेटा जब मैं I was special advisor there. जब मैं कोकराझार में जाता था वो मुझे, and you know what we call them? Rakshas. Look at the arrogance of the North India. और वो मुझे कहते थे कि we fought for you Hindus. They are also Hindus.
Yes, sir.
We fought for Bharat. We were the first defenders.
Yes, sir.
Very fine community. Basant Ray, Sumant Ray, these are the family names. Wonderful people. Hardcore Hindus. Do you agree?
Yes, sir. Even they worship Batho, that is a primitive Shiva.
That's of course. And of course, as rightly said, Ghatotkacha. Ek mandir hai kahin pe. The woman's name was Hidimba.
Yes, sir. Hidimba, yes, sir.
Yaad aa gaya sab kuch?
Yes, sir.
This kid is bright. She'll do very well in the civil service.